This is a sous vide machine. It's basically a fancy device where you use it on a restaurant, where you cook food in a bag on a water bath and a very precise temperature. And in my case today I am cooking a beef brisket, and it's been here for 24 hours, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a bao bun out of this. Some oil. Now sear.
Now we let it rest for 10 minutes.
Wow, this is really good. It's really tender. Yum.
Now we save all those juices we use for cooking to make a glaze.
Cornstarch. Now we add the meat. Now time to assemble the bao buns. Beef brisket, some sriracha mayo, pickled veggies from the last video, coriander, some fried shallots to add some crispiness and crunch, and lastly some togarashi. Sous vide beef brisket bao buns. Really good. I can eat 10 of this. Really good.